Good morning! Speed sounds. Please take today's speed sounds worksheet. Point with your finger to each word you hear. I will read the words and leave a gap for you to repeat after me. Ear. Hear with your ear. Hear. Dear. Fear. Near. Year. Ear. Please take a piece of paper. Here is a dictation of 10 words. Please write them neatly underneath each other, numbering each word. Word number 1. Hear. Word number 2. Bird. Word number 3. Higher. Word number 4. Year. Word number 5. Corner. Word number 6. Deer. Word number 7. Ear. Word number 8. Near. Word number 9. Spoon. Word number 10. Fear. And here are 5 sentences for you to write down. Sentence number 1. Did you hear the church bells? ? Did you hear the church bells? Did you hear the church bells? ? Sentence number 2. Dad came in with dirt on his boots. Dad came in with dirt on his boots. Dad came in with dirt on his boots. Full stop. Sentence number 3. December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. December is the last month of the year. Full stop. Sentence number 4. The weather is better than ever. The weather is better than ever. The weather is better than ever. Full stop. Sentence number 5. I have sore ears. I have sore ears. I have sore ears. Full stop. Well done, that's it for today.